Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor fun with one of the best parachutes for kids available on the market. We're talking about the Sonyabecca parachute, designed for hours of cooperative play and muscle-building fun. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your family's playtime arsenal. Imagine this. A colorful, 10-feet diameter parachute adorned with 12 handles, each strategically placed to encourage group play and cooperation. The Sonyabecca parachute isn't just any toy, it's a gateway to collaborative activities that promote teamwork and physical development. Physical development engages children in physical activity that builds upper body strength and coordination. Social skills fosters teamwork, communication, and cooperation among kids as they play together. Versatility, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, whether at home, in schools, or at community events. As a parent or caregiver, choosing the right toy for your child involves more than just entertainment, it's about educational value and quality. Sonyabecca delivers on both fronts with a product that's not only fun but also promotes essential skills in a safe and engaging manner. From countless positive reviews and its status as a bestseller in its category, it's clear that families love the Sonyabecca parachute for its durability, ease of use, and the joy it brings to children of various ages. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your child's playtime with an activity that promotes both physical and social development, the Sonyabecca parachute is a fantastic choice. With its sturdy construction, vibrant colors, and educational benefits, it's a win-win for both kids and parents alike. Well, that wraps up our review of the Sonyabecca parachute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.